In this video, I'll show you where to find promo deals for ecoATM. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser, go to Google, and now inside the Google search box, type in ecoATM promo code deals, then click search. And then if we scroll down the Google search results, you got Real Tell Me Not, We Thrift It, Worth the Penny, etc. So these are the pretty good promo code deal third-party sites you can check out. So any one of these will work, but just check the expiry date on these codes. They do expire. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to click on We Thrift It because I find this is a decent site to get deals. So as you can see, you got $5 off, 10% off with that code, and you can even show the history of these codes. So if you click on Show History, you can see this code was last used 3 hours ago, and I was reported working by shoppers 5 days ago. So to copy this code, simply copy it. Now it's copied to your clipboard, and then paste this at the checkout section of ecoATM to activate your deal.